What's up, you guys? It's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So given the fact that we have now entered the second half of the year, I thought it would be a good idea for me to share you my sales and profit figures for the first half of the year. Now 2021 has been a very interesting year with so many challenges with storage such as in shipping challenges that we have been encountering. So I thought it would be a good idea for me to actually share you my sales and profit figures for two reasons. Number one, you can compare it to your business. If you've been selling on Amazon yourself, you can very easily compare what are your sales and what should your profit figures be, because at the end of the day, we are not here for fun. We are here to make money and grow our business. And secondly, guys, for those of you that haven't started selling on Amazon just yet, hopefully this can motivate you and show you what is possible if you just put your head down and start learning how to sell on Amazon and actually take action to start selling your very first product. Because these results are from somebody that has been selling on Amazon just over 3 years. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. With that being said, guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you're looking for a little bit of extra help, extra support, please don't forget to check the links down below for my brand new FBA Mentor Academy course or my mentorship. Otherwise, guys, if you're interested in selling on Amazon, but you're running on a relatively lower budget, which is absolutely fine, please don't forget to check the links down below for Helium 10, the best product research tool out there, or Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your Amazon FBA business. With that being said, guys, let's get straight to the video. These videos do take quite a while to calculate to make sure I provide you with as accurate figures as possible. So if you do like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, guys, my H1 sales ended up being £394,640. Now, this is slightly higher to what it was last year. However, guys, I'm still very happy because the very first half of last year was when we have entered coronavirus. We were all effectively under lockdown and customers had no other choice but to shop online. And therefore, we all saw a surge in demand for various types of products on Amazon. However, guys, in 2021, the story is completely different and kind of in reverse. What most people have done is now left their homes, left the lockdown. They're now traveling outside of the country. They're going outside, spending time with their family and friends. And a lot of them are shopping a lot less online. And if they are doing some shopping, they now actually want to go into the high street retail shops and do physical shopping. However, guys, given the fact that I was still able to maintain roughly around £400,000 in sales in first half of the year is really good. Now, the reason for that is primarily because I've been online continuously getting in more and more products. So whereas last year in the beginning of the year I was on 17 products, the beginning of this year I'm now on around, I believe, 33, 32, and as we speak at the moment I'm currently selling 42 products. So as the amount of products have gone up, of course a few products have fell through over the time because it didn't sell as well, but as overall the products have gone up, so have the sales. Now, the cost of sales have been quite high as well. It's been £141,963, which roughly equates to around 28 to 30% of the sales price. Now, guys, the reason why it's so high is because because of the storage limits that Amazon implemented around the month of April, I was desperate to get rid of some of my products that have not been selling so well. So I had to reduce the price. Obviously, the cost of the product doesn't change, but I had to reduce the price to push those sales through. So I have more storage limit and more products that are fast selling at a good price that I can send to the Amazon's FBA warehouse. This is basically a change that a lot of us had to experience because of these brand new storage limits. Before, they were limiting each and every single item separately, whereas now they put a limit onto your account and that's it. They don't care which product you're going to send them. If your limit is 1,000 units, you can send either 10 products at 100 units each, or you can send one product at 1,000 units each. So I had to cut a lot of the products that I had sitting in the Amazon's FBA warehouses for a long time and therefore shift them as quickly as possible effectively and start selling more of the products that actually make me money. Also, guys, my Amazon fees ended up being £123,000. Now, after calculating this, I was shocked, to be completely honest. Just this is the reason why Amazon is effectively a one and almost now $2 trillion company by market cap. This is why they make so much money from themselves selling on Amazon, but also from each and every single one of us selling on Amazon as well. Okay, just from me alone, they got £123,000 in Amazon fees alone, and that is referral fees as well as the fulfillment fees. Okay, that is a lot of money to allow me to use their fulfillment network and therefore tap into their customers. Storage, £8,300. I'm really actually happy with this number because I genuinely thought this is going to be a lot higher. And what I'm even more happier about is the fact that I was able to secure this price for the whole year. So this storage cost is actually not going to go up for me unless I introduce a lot more products and need additional space until the June of next year, which I'm really happy about. Now, storage for all of you guys is going to be different. For some of you who are fortunate enough to live at a house, maybe you have a spare garage, storage is pretty much going to be zero. Now, other of you guys that are basically maybe living in a one-bedroom flat like myself, you're going to end up eventually looking for an external storage unit if you're going to grow your Amazon FBA business. This is exactly what I had to do in the month of March and April, and this is where the costs are coming from. Amazon PPC, £19,748. Now, this is my own personal choice. I run Amazon PPC continuously for each and every single one of my products throughout the year. Okay, some of you guys may not want to do that. Some of you may want to basically use the PPC to launch your product, and once it starts gathering organic sales, you're going to turn it off, which is absolutely fine. However, those PPC, that 19,000 that I spent, has gathered me almost 90,000 pounds in sales. So if it wasn't for that number, my sales figure for this year so far would probably be around 320,000. And in my personal opinion, some profit from Amazon PPC is better than no profit whatsoever, because those PPC sales push the sales velocity for the product and therefore push the organic listing ranking for the product as well. Subscriptions. This has been £1,080. This is a relatively small cost to the business, and this includes Amazon subscription, the monthly subscription that we all pay, Helium 10 product research tool, Adobe Photoshop, and quite a few other subscriptions that I do and have to use to run my Amazon FBA business on a day-to-day basis. Again, when you're starting off, this number is going to be a lot less for you guys, but as the business grows, as you need to add accountants and various other things, this is going to increase. Salaries. £21,600. This is basically why I decided to pay myself and Sarah for the first half of the year. Now, I will go into the profit figures. However, I also forgot to mention that I pay £360 to my accountants each and every single month. And if you add that for 6 months, that adds to around £2,000, which is not added in this slide, as I've just realized. However, at the end of the day, guys, we made the profit of £78,629. If you add the accountancy fees, it will be around £76,000. But this is the figure that you should be interested in at the end of the day. It's not the sales that matter the most, guys. It's the profit. It's how much money will the business be able to keep after selling all of their products, after taking out all the fees, all the cost of sales, all the salaries. How much will they have left to grow the business? And this is the answer that I came up with after the first half of 2021. This is the ratio effectively. It's roughly around 20% profit margin when it changes from sales to net profit at the end of the day. So if you're, for example, selling 100,000 in the first half of the year, if your profit margin is going to be around 20 grand, you should be really happy. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to check the links down for my brand new course and mentorship, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.